In this video, I'm going to be transforming my messy room into my dream studio for my clothing brand. So it's just all these boxes were just all over the place. This is just my random stock that I have, and I just need to move them. This used to be my workspace over here, and it's just total mess. So the first thing I'm going to do is move these boxes to the top of my turf that I got, just like this. This is the stock for my brand. This is just extra hoodies and everything that I have. On top of these gray shells, I'm going to stack my shoes. As you guys can see, it looks really clean. It brings a more vibrant color to the room with the red and the green. And then above my boxes, I'm going to put a desk for my workspace. I'm going to stack my heat press on top of it, as you guys can see right here. And to the right of it, I'm going to put my sewing machine. This is going to be my workspace where I make all of my clothes for my brand. I think it came together pretty well. Let me know in the comment section below. This turf is going to be used to take my product pics and videos for my Instagram and TikTok. The green turf really makes the product kind of pop. If you guys want to check out my brand, I will link it in the description. But on to the next thing to clean is this storage area over here. This is a time lapse of me just taking everything out and organizing it. I had so many clothes just shoved in these little boxes right here and just a bunch of random stuff, but this is just a time lapse of me organizing it. This is me finishing up the floor. It's just a bunch of random stuff, but it turned out to look really clean afterwards. That's my dog Lola, and this is the next part I need to clean. So this was where my workspace used to be. This is my mannequin Becky that has all my beta products on it. This black desk is where I used to have my heat press and sewing machine on, but I moved it into the other room. This is just a time lapse of me cleaning up the room. It turned out really nice at the end. As you guys can see right here, it's really bare and clean. I'm gonna put a desk right here, and I'm probably gonna put like some shoe boxes or some shoes over here, and then yeah. So this is my mannequin Becky. I'm gonna put my Child of God shirt on her. I'm just adjusting her height right here. I'm gonna put it in the right corner of my room just to add a little bit of decoration to it. But if you guys want one of these shirts I'm putting on her, it's Child of God shirt from my brand. I will link it in the description. I'm also wearing my shorts from my brand. I will put the link in the description if you guys want a pair. The next thing I'm going to add to my studio are these LED lights that I got from Walmart. I will link these down in the description. These are the 65-foot long RGB. They come in 2 strands. Each strand is 32.5 feet. This is me not knowing where to put them. I was very confused right here. But I decided to put them on the corners right here. I thought it was going to look really nice. I think these lights are really going to transform my boring room into my dream studio / room. I think these lights turned out amazing. I loved how they look on the room. I still have to put them on this left side of the wall, so here's a time lapse of me putting them up. I think the LEDs really bring the room together. I think they light up the room perfectly, and I love how you can change the colors. I really like this red. The purple is probably my favorite. But if you guys want these, I will link them in the description. You can get them at Walmart or on Amazon. The next thing I have to do is I'm going to put up this guitar with this guitar hook thingy that I have. Heads up, this may be a flash warning for those who might have a seizure. I did not realize that I filmed this in a time lapse and the lights were flashing, so just a heads up. I'm putting my desk right here. This is going to be my workspace for when I design or when I do school during the school year. I'm just decorating the shelves right here. I'm putting some books right here. This area turned out really nice. I have a shoe box tower in the back and a shoe shelf right when you walk into your right. I think this area turned out really well. Let me know in the comment section below. Now that my dream room is finished, here's the final look. let me know what you guys think of my dream room. This is my brand, by the way. If you guys are interested in my brand, I will link the website in the description. The brand name is Cozy, CZY for short. It is a premium quality Christian brand that I made in 2022 when I was 16 years old. I have hoodies, t-shirts, and I just dropped some shorts. If you guys are interested, make sure to go check it out in the description below. It's based off the verse 2 Corinthians 1:3-4, and it talks about how even through the toughest of times, God will always be there for you to comfort you. And with that comfort and the love he gives you, you can comfort those who are in need. So I decided to make comfortable, cozy clothing that has a message to spread. Again, if you guys want to support our brand, you guys can go click the link in the description, or you can follow us on our Instagram, keepcozy.lifestyle. I'm also going to link these in the description. These are really good financial books for you. You can get them on Amazon for cheap. I'm also going to link these LED lights and this Google Home that I have in my dream room. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this transformation from my messy room to my dream room. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and turn on notifications so you guys can see more videos like this. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Peace out.